Welcome guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check your record on the Ultimate Team FIFA 23. Okay, so as you can see in this place we get home, play and the club. We have to go for the club, so we have to use our R1, press it 2 times, and as you can see at the first we got the squad. We have to go for the stadium, where we can find in this place under this customize your club our wins, draw and losses. And yeah, in this place you can find the record of your games on the FIFA 23 Ultimate Team. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.